area could be up towards Hoffman Air Force Base, Moyles Acres, also Oliver Reed State Park. This morning is for this particular cell until 6 o'clock this evening. Now, we're also seeing some light to moderate rainfall near Las Cruces, and then just to the south and west of us, much heavier rains and some lightning strikes with this particular storm as it's slowly pushing off towards the southeast, and its path could be up towards the Vado area. We'll continue to check that because there's some more lingering showers just to the west, and those are a little lighter in nature, but those are slowly drifting their way in towards the western parts of El Paso. So, I know it looks gorgeous today, and I know we had a lot of sunshine and light winds, even those warmer temperatures, but don't be fooled. There's still moisture out there, and that, as a result, is bringing out those showers and storms. So we didn't quite reach our average today, but we were certainly warmer than what we were yesterday. And heat forecast moving into El Paso by 7 o'clock this evening, and then it looks
He's trying to do the Roger Waters
overnight, but then see a few isolated showers try and pop up again for your Saturday
How did you know?
But wind shifts to the east by Sunday, and here comes more moisture.
Such an innocent baby.
Another round of showers.
Just wants to chill in her
So for tonight,
chair.
we're looking at a 50% chance for the low of 60 in El Paso, 52 in Las Cruces. The next couple of days, well, you can see rain chances up again by Sunday as the moisture moves back in with freezing winds and temperatures or closer to average, I should say. But nonetheless, we are in for some dry air and warmer temperatures.
Is that right?
That in your 5-day forecast with the weekend always in view.
Cashing in on the way one industry is booming while others just get by.
Coffee shops always provide a jolt of caffeine. We'll show you one that may provide a jolt of relaxation. Next, music box, you can tell.
Fox Friday is all about seafood but apples. First, bombshells will be dropped. Ladies and gentlemen, on the calendar season. We are being gods. That is our destiny to do something to save our universe. Got it? Good. Instant activating in a movement you will never forget. It all starts tonight at 8/7 Central on Fox. And women of law our community.
I'm Marcus Steve. I spent my career working with law enforcement as a prosecutor for criminal district court number 1, putting criminals in jail and seizing millions of dollars of their assets.
Sadie.
Law enforcement. Jose Castillo.
What are you doing?
Your name.
Oh my goodness.
Criminal district court.
What are you doing, silly? What are you doing?
Smokehouse barbecue chicken. Sweet onion chicken teriyaki. Both 6 grams of fat or less.
You done?
Is lower back pain, sore shoulders, and hips robbing you of the rest
Silly girl. You just silly girl.